Yo guys, welcome back to Stock Talk Insider. Today I will be showing you my top 6 picks for 2025. These are the 6 stocks that I will be investing in 2025 and I will be making a big position in for the coming years. And yeah, what we will do in 2026 is for 2026. So everything we will discuss today is about me growing my positions that I already have and making some new positions in the portfolio that I did not yet have. So this is a video about me making those positions in 2025 and building it up for the coming years. If I find other stocks for next year, then there will be a video also like this, but next year of course. So these are the 6 stocks that I will be investing in today and coming days and weeks and months in 2025. So I also do want to mention that I appreciate everyone who've watched the videos in last year that I made my first videos in. I'm generally pretty happy with what we already did. I am improving the quality of information that I bring out and my language as English talking that I want to improve also in 2025. Now that I've said this, I want to make my benchmarks for 2025. I want to accomplish with this channel / let me say project actually. So with this channel, I just want to make some good quality videos with good information and just being better with every video and giving you more and more and better information. So I also want to mention that this channel is purely for my enjoyment. I enjoy talking to the camera because it clears my mind, because I'm constantly doing my work, the stock market, a company that I do, family time and friends and stuff, all of that. So this channel is actually a relief for my mind, and where I can just put all of the things that I'm in my head with from the stock market back to you guys, to the camera, and just talk to it and talk to you guys. And what I'm thinking of, I can just put in a video, and in my mind it's like it's out there, it's not in my mind anymore. I know it exists, of course. I'm not mad or crazy, but what I just mean is that with putting all the information in my head in a video, I'm just more at ease with all of the information. It gives me a product. How do you say it in English? I feel like I'm more productive and more at ease. So the word was productive that I was looking for. So yeah, making more videos with good content, good information, that gives me a relieved head. Then I want to improve my English. I already think that with the first video we did in English, it already did. I can find my words better. And of course my articulation is also already a little bit better. But of course those two things, like finding my words at the right time and finding the good strong words that I can use, and of course that mixed with good articulation is one of the 2 key factors of speaking very good languages, of course. And in this particular thing it is English. So that's about the videos and about my English. And I just want to grow the channel. I want to actually make something of it. But keep in mind that this is really something that I just enjoy doing. I have like 10 subscribers right now. If you aren't subscribed yet, you can always subscribe. I appreciate it. And I appreciate every one of you. Also, happy new year already for you guys. But yeah, I just want to make the videos. I enjoy doing them. And they are also useful to me because I can relieve my head and can process all of the information again and again with making the video, with speaking in the video, with checking it in the edits if I didn't say anything wrong, and then also another checkup when it's online. So I keep refining the information in the videos, which makes me actually smarter with the investments I make. But yeah, now at at huh? At 5 minutes, I will be starting the video in what we are actually going to do. So yeah, I'm sorry for all the talks, but already thank you for watching till this moment. Or if you already have scrolled down further in the video, also very okay. Then let's go to the first stock, AMD. So this is the first position that I have in my mind when I think about 2025. So AMD. First on the list is AMD. This company is a major player in the semiconductor industry, especially in the areas of graphics cards and microprocessors. AMD competes directly with companies like Intel and Nvidia. Over the past few years, the company has experienced strong growth, mainly due to their impressive product innovations, figures, and growth. In 2023, AMD saw a 20% revenue growth for their graphic cards and processors, continuing to rise, especially due to the growing gaming market and demand for data centers. The global market for graphic cards is estimated at $23.5 billion and is expected to grow at a rate of 10% per year until 2028. Why is it a good choice? AMD has significantly increased its market share in recent years. Their Ryzen processors and Radeon graphic cards have pushed Intel and Nvidia to innovate more. The demand for gaming hardware and data center chips is huge, which means the company can continue to attract strong demand in the coming years. Value in 5 years. If the current growth continues, AMD could potentially double its market value, making its stock price 2 times higher within the next 5 years. So yeah, that was AMD. Then I have my second stock, and actually this is the big one in my portfolio. It's around 40% of my whole portfolio. And why? Because I really like the position and I really like the company. Of course, I will be slowing down buying the company. I've already a pretty good base of position that I want to have, but I think it will go very, very, very high in stock price in the coming years. But for now, I do believe that I have a pretty good, decent amount of stocks from this company. It is Tesla, and I will be making more and over positions, so the 40% will go slowly down, as it is in my head as a plan, because I do think 40% is maybe too much for in one stock. Also, I do believe a lot in the company, but it is a bit too much for one stock. So I will be putting it, I will be getting it down because of making more positions, because of making all the positions bigger and making new positions. So that's about Tesla and how it's positioned in my portfolio at this particular moment. So the number 2 is Tesla. Tesla is not only the leader in electric vehicles, but the company is also positioning itself as a major player in the renewable energy sector. With its solar panels and energy storage solutions, additionally, Tesla has made significant progress with robotics, other called Optimus, and full self-driving, other called FSD technologies, which will play a huge role in the future of their growth and will be a huge grower in 2025 in how they are growing those technological projects. Then we have the figures and the growth. In 2024, Tesla sold approximately 1.79 million vehicles, experiencing a 1.1% decline compared to the previous year, marking the first annual decrease since 2011. So that's one big point that you can make. Yeah, they are going down on vehicle deliveries, but is it that important though? Because first of all, they don't make commercials. It's all purely without commercials that they sell it, and they are still the most selling EV company in the market, even with the 1.1% decline. So if you're really going to get the stock a lot down, because one quarter made it go down 1.1% on year-over-year based vehicles sold, that's crazy, because as I mentioned before, it's without commercials that they sell it. 2, if you look at Optimus and FSD and the energy, then this is actually not really a big thing. 3, I see the selling of those cars just as a way to fund the Optimus, the energy sector, the FSD sector, and it's not a car company in my side, it is a software and AI company, and if I want and may say, it's one of the biggest AI and software companies in the world. If you see at their energy, so yeah, 1.1% declined for Tesla in vehicle sales, but there will be a new vehicle for two-person normally in 2025, Model 2 that's going to come out. Model Y will get a revamp, and normally the prices will go down, and yeah, of course the manufacturing cost should also have to go down, or it can be a little bit coming on each other with the earnings if that happens. But if you look at it, new Model Y, new whole car Model 2, and normally lower prices with lower costs, and they will also be focusing on more sustainability and green working. Then if you take the energy division, Tesla Energy Division rolled out 31.4 gigawatts an hour of energy storage capacity in 2024, making a significant contribution to their growth in the renewable energy sector. So, what I mean is that the sales of the cars have gone down year over year with 1.1%, but the energy division has been growing 243% since last year. That's crazy if you are just ignoring that, but going all in on the 1.1%. That's crazy. That's crazy. So Tesla has been selling cars since 2011, and since 2011 they have not gone down on year-over-year car sales. Now they have gone down 1.1%, and people are, just after they gone up so much, people are just like, fuck the stock, we are going to get it down, and they're just ignoring the fact that FSD will make a big advancement in 2025. Optimus will also be a big advancement in 2025. Those both things will grow in how they are operated right now. They will grow a lot. Then we have the energy sector, which has grown around 243% since last year, and everyone is just focusing on that silly 1.1% down. That's crazy. Elon Musk is the one guy, because that's also another thing. People are saying that Elon Musk shouldn't do politics, and they are saying that Elon Musk is sometimes saying things that aren't correct, but I don't care what the fuck he's saying. Elon Musk is the one making those robots, getting FSD into reality, getting those numbers in energy, and he's the one sending freaking spaceships to space. I don't know anyone who can do that. It's Elon fucking Musk. So I am not betting on a guy like that. No. I'm buying his stock, and I'm just seeing what he does week from week. And I enjoy my life, and I will let him just send his rockets to space, let him say what he wants, as long as he gets Optimus right, FSD right eventually, and if he just let his company grow the energy sector. And of course, the company should have a steady sale of cars, but I don't believe that Tesla isn't done because of 1.1% decline, guys. And I'm not talking so much about the stock if I don't love it. So I'm really into Tesla and in what they will be doing. So why is it a good choice? Tesla remains the market leader in electric vehicles with the Model 3 and Model Y, both offering significant growth potential due to their affordable and demand. What really stands out is the massive value that FSD, Optimus and their energy products could bring in the future. Full self-driving could drastically change the transportation landscape, and Optimus could revolutionize robotics and automation. Also, the global renewable energy market is expected to grow from 500 billion in 2023 to 1.2 trillion by 2028, driven by the increasing demand for solar energy and energy storage solutions. It's also a big thing for Tesla. Value in the next 5 years. Given the 31.4 gigawatts an hour growth in their energy storage division, the robotics value revolution with Optimus, advancements in FSD, and the new vehicle models like Model Y and Model 3, I expect Tesla's value to potentially double or triple in the next 5 years. These technologies and increased market share will likely make Tesla leading in multiple sectors, from energy to autonomous vehicles and robotics. Then that was Tesla, and now I'm sorry, I didn't get a ticker of Tesla. So this is Tesla today, $380.30 in the pre-market. We are today December 3rd, 2025. So that was Tesla. Then we go to Palantir. Palantir today in pre-market, $75.12 in the pre-market. Also today, still December 3rd. So, Palantir. Next up is Palantir. This company is a leader in data analytics and big data solutions, primarily serving in the public sector, including government agencies. Their platform is used by the military and intelligence agencies, but it's also increasingly adopted by commercial businesses. Figures and growth. In 2023, Palantir saw a 22% revenue growth driven by strong demand for their data analytics and AI-driven solutions. The data analytics market is expected to reach 300 billion globally and grow at a rate of 15% per year. Why is it a good choice? Palantir plays a crucial role in growing big data and artificial intelligence sectors. Their platforms help organizations and government process massive amounts of data and derive valuable insights as data becomes a new oil. I believe Palantir will continue to expand its client base and profitability in the years to come. Also, I do think Palantir will also always trade rich. And on the other hand, it can happen that if the market crashes, Palantir will crash hard in stock price. But if you look at 5 years, that is really just a buying opportunity. So, value in 5 years, given the growth in the AI market and demand for data analytics, I expect Palantir's value to potentially double in the next 5 years. Then, number 4, my pick for 2025. Amazon. Amazon has been a leader in the e-commerce industry for years, but the company has also built a strong position in cloud computing through AWS. So actually that is the big money maker for Amazon in the coming years, and which is the one that is growing the fastest in the market. Figures and growth. In 2023, Amazon achieved a revenue of $520 billion with 10% annual growth in e-commerce and 20% growth in cloud computing. The global cloud computing market is expected to grow from $500 billion in 2023 to $1.5 trillion by 2028 with an annual growth rate of 25%. Why it's a good choice? Amazon has proven the strength of its AWS division, which is a massive profit driver with continued growth in cloud computing and e-commerce. Amazon will keep benefiting from consumer sales and business services. The value in 5 years. Given the massive growth in cloud computing, Amazon's value can potentially double in the next 5 years depending on their ability to keep innovating. Then we have stock 5, SoFi. SoFi is also in numbers in how much shares I have is a big one. So I have 442 shares of SoFi. SoFi is an innovative fintech company offering services in loans, savings accounts, and investment products. They target younger, tech-savvy customer base and offer a wide range of digital financial services. Figures and growth. In 2023, SoFi saw a 50% revenue growth, mainly driven by the increase in loans and investment products. The fintech market is growing globally at a rate of 20% per year, and SoFi is well positioned to capitalize on this expansion. Why it's a good choice? SoFi is excellently positioned for the growth of digital banking and online financial services. Their user-friendly platform and broad range of services make them appealing to a younger generation looking at and for simple, cost-effective solutions. Value in 5 years. With the expansion of the fintech market, I expect SoFi's value to increase by 100 to 150% in the next 5 years. Stock number 6, Grab. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just not doing. I'm just too much giving attention to my script and not too much to the tickers. So let's take Grab for now. I'm sorry, guys, but it actually just doesn't matter. You can also just have your ticker symbols. This is a stock that I don't yet own, but I maybe want to start making position after all the big earnings. So yeah, the last on my list is Grab Holdings, the largest super app in Southeast Asia. Grab offers a wide range of services from food delivery to ride hailing and is positioned to capitalize on the growing digital economies in Asia. Figures and growth. Grab saw a 30% revenue growth in 2023, driven by the strong performance of their food delivery and ride-hailing services. The digital economy in Southeast Asia is expected to reach $300 billion by 2025, with a 15% annual growth rate. Why it's a good choice? Grab is well positioned to benefit from growing digital economy in Asia. The super app advantage gives them multiple revenue streams and massive customer base in one of the fastest growing markets in the world. Value in 5 years. With the growth of the digital economy in Asia, Grab could potentially double its value in the next 5 years. These were the 6 stocks I want to own and grow in the coming years. Each of these companies plays a crucial role in their respective sectors, and the growth prospects are promising. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth market analysis. Leave a comment if you agree with my picks or if you have other stocks in mind. See you next time, and thank you for watching Stock Talk Insiders. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and bye bye.